I am going to destroy these rings. You have seen me making them, and now it's time to
destroy them.
Into these rings I have practiced stone setting, but now I need the stones and the silver back so I can practice more. I will start by stretching the ring so the stones will hopefully fall off.
Okay, so I thought that I would just stretch the ring like everybody else in our class did, but because I'm scared all the time that the stones fall off from my jewelry, I set them very, very tight. So I realized very soon that this would take time.
Hey, fast.
My friend told me to knock the ring in between stretching so the stones would fall off, and they started coming out one by one, and I'm a busy woman, I don't have time for that. So we moved to the ring bender, which usually helps you to make rings, but this time it helped me to destroy them. So I just twisted, bended and kept knocking the stones out again and again and again. You get the idea. Finally there was only one stone left trying to survive, but I pushed it out with a needle.
Okay, so now all the stones have come off, and next I'm going to saw and cut the rings into smaller pieces so they will melt better under the fire. And now to the fun part, melting the silver. The melting point to silver is 961.8 Celsius. So we're gonna need a big flame. And now for the final reveal. Here we have some stones released from the rings, ready to be used again. And a small cute silver coin, ready to be used again into something beautiful. I think I'm safe to say these two rings were destroyed successfully. Let me know if you like this video. Subscribe, like, hit the bell button. Thank you so much for watching and bye!